You remember the three drives pattern, just amazing example of this pattern on the Jasmy USDT trading pair. And 1, 2, 3 patterns format. We hit the 200 EMA and we crash it down. It was a time to sell around the 6 cents, 5 cents. It was so obvious, guys, to sell. But people screaming, no, you have no idea what you're talking about. But guys, almost 2,000% gains. Here one. It was amazing gains while the all altcoins is slowly dying. The Jasmy hit the 2,000% gains and the people still scream we're going to the moon. I don't think so now. The Jasmy will ever reach the main targets only if the miracle happen and the Binance will remove the Jasmy from the monitoring tag tokens. Why it's risky? Because you can take a look at what company now the Jasmy sit here. Yes, Mobox, one of my coins what I invested in, also on the monitoring tag. So in the portal. So yes, it's kind of bad. And yes, any of that tokens can be deleted at any single moment. So I hope, and I think the Jasmy will be not one of this token, but everything possible, guys. What's going on now? Again, I showed you where we now, because we trade on the fundamental value. If you watch it, all my previous videos today and yesterday, I showed you a million examples now. When I talk and trade on the fundamental value line of take profit indicator, it's usually the good time to buy up to your own risk, of course, and with the proper money management, because we're on a high risky market like a crypto. But in 90% cases, the token come back to test it below. After that, the road will be open to test the take profit line. So fundamental value line, but lines are dynamic, guys. That's why I highly recommend you just add alerts to this line and track it. You can open the today video about a moon river. So we hit the line and reject it. That's why it's more than okay to take the profit. So now it's 0.2058. Fundamental value of the Jasmy 0.2078. If this token will be still existent on a Binance and the main centralized exchanges. By the way, the Moon River and the Glimmer delisted from the OKEX, but still pump it. All right, it's good. So around the buy line test below 1 cent, it's 50 EMA also, and the 100 EMA now it's 2 cents 25. That's why now we're at the level of January 2024. What happened previously, you can see on the chart, but that time the Jasmy was not on the monitoring tag. All right, daily time frame. What is more than okay to buy back? All right, we tested a buy line. This one in February 6th. Now we're trying to break the 50 EMA, 100 EMA, and the road going to be open to the take profit line on the daily. Daily we use for the swing trades. And here's a 200 EMA. So if you bought around here, or you use my customer set, and here you bought at the buy line, take profit. It's not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit or close your futures position. Buy line test again. If we drop on the Donald dump, this is a 0.2038. I will not touch the Jasmy because I already got like 2 tokens, Mobox and the portal, which added on the monitoring tag. So I hope on the next Binance review, Binance remove the monitoring tag from this all tokens, and everything will be okay with the Jasmy, with the Mobox, with the portal. So add alert to the take profit line like this one, and wait where to take the profit and out of the Jasmy. If you believe, of course, in this project for the long run, you can wait the new high over than this 6 cents. Will we see that targets or not? Nobody knows, guys. But we're more than okay to buy now. I showed you with the buy line, and we're more than okay to take the profit on the weekly and the daily. I also showed you. Let's take a look at the updates for direction indicator. Here's this accumulation since January. It's good. Previously, it playing out pretty good one. Like you remember here, June somewhere 3, October somewhere 3. Now we in accumulation January somewhere 6, and now April somewhere 6. So I hope if we'll rebound at least to 2 cents 22, this one. We're in capitalization zone on the weekly, this one. So usually it's also a good time to buy assets. But of course, we can control only the money management and risk management. This is an accumulation based on direction on the daily, and we pump. And this is still no area zone on the market mode. It's good. Take a look the money power and trade on. Let's indicators. Money power on the daily, no money in outflow. Previously, how the money outflow playing out was here. January 26, we pump it and dump it. So let's add alert to the money outflow so it can be like a warning. All right, so weekly time frame, same time. Here where the whales accumulate, here where the whales accumulate, so around the 0.2058 is comfortable price for the whales, the same where we're now. So also let's add alerts to the money outflow on the weekly. Here, this will be the signal of fixation. 1, 2, 3. Go to hell, right? So this is going to be the same story. When we hit the top and we will see the money outflow, it's going to be time to out of the Jasmy. And the last and the bad, still bad signal for the Jasmy, we still didn't see the signal take profit from the sales. On many other altcoins, I showed you example. So when we see the sell, it was the December 24, and take profit, the money back, it's usually the potential signal of reversal move. On the Jasmy, still not. That's why let's add alert. Also trade on, take profit from the sales. It will be the signal of reversal move. The same story here. Sell, but on a daily. Sell, take profit, buy. So that's why we need to wait. From that buy, we pump it like 29%. The same way, but we need to see on a weekly time frame. So you understand the logic. Guys, write please in the comment what you think about a Jasmy. If you'd like to trade as my customer service showed on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.